Hello, my name is Chengzhe, and next I will demonstrate my work with the Neo4j database system. In this demonstration, I will walk through the key features of Neo4j, including creating nodes and relationships, performing queries, and finally cleaning up the database. So let's get started. First, we connect the instance. During this process, it's necessary to enter the password saved when creating the instance. Now we can see that I have successfully connected it. Then I will first create two nodes, Alice and Bob, representing people in my graph. Each node has properties like name and age. We can see that there is a node Alice. And the same as Bob. Then I will now create a relationship between Alice and Bob to represent that Alice knows Bob, and the relationship between them is labeled as knows. Now we can query all the nodes in my database to verify that they have been created successfully. So this result shows that they have been created. We can also query both nodes and relationships to verify the connection. And the result, it returns both nodes and relationships in a graph. Next, I will run an optional match query to retrieve all nodes, even those that may not have relationships. And the result is the same as the previous one, since there is no isolated node. Then we can add 3 more nodes, Charlie, Diana, and Eve, and each with their respective ages. Now we can see they have been successfully created. We can also create relationships between these nodes to represent social and professional connections. And I can create them together. Okay, so we can see in relationships we have 3 more now here. I will now query the entire graph to show all nodes and relationships. This syntax is the same as the previous one. And here it is. And now let me run some specific queries to analyze the data. First, retrieve all connections for Alice. Next, count the degree of connections for each node. And this is a count. Now we calculate the shortest path between Alice and Eve. And we can see that the shortest path is Alice to Charlie to Eve, connected by friends with and family with. these two relationships. Then we can return the different types of ages and their counts. So we can see we have 5 different ages and each count is 1. And we can also write a query to return all the relationship types and their counts. So here it is. And next I will run a query to find the node with the highest number of relationships in the graph. So this query matches all nodes and their relationships, counts the number of relationships of each node, and sorts them in descending order by the count, and we limited it 1, so we only return one name and relationships. And we can see Alice has the most relationships, which is 2. Then I will run another query to find all nodes connected by the friend with relationship. And this is the result. And this is a query to find all person nodes connected by either a colleague with or family with relationships. And from the query result, it can be seen that the query matches a bidirectional relationship. This indicates that relationships colleague with and family with are symmetrical and not directional. To conclude, I will clean up my database by deleting nodes and relationships. So first we can delete all relationships for the specific node and the node itself. For example, Alice. And we can see that we don't have Alice anymore. And the relationship of Alice are deleted as well. Then I will delete all remaining relationships. And we can see that there is no relationships anymore. And finally, we can also delete all nodes on a large square. And we can see there is no nodes and relationships, and the database is cleaned up. So this concludes my demonstration of use Neo4j to create, query, and manage a graph-based database. Thank you for your watching.